hello, my name is Victoria and we are making this nice video for the fish baked in salt. I'm going to show how to make the special salt. Today we have just big sea salt flakes, if you see, nice quality. We're going to be using egg whites, specially separated from egg yolks, and I'm already doing it, so I'll give you the proportions. For the small fish, we're going to be needing about 1 kilo or just 2 pounds of salt. We will have 2 nice fish. This is namely trout, rainbow trout, coming from nice lake in Ontario, and it was they were raised in farms, but very nice, still very nice. So what we need is, like I said, salt, egg whites, a little bit of water. I'll be adding by like teaspoons, a little bit. And then you have your hand, and then you have to mix it until you reach a kind of a snow quality of this salt. So that's how you're going to be doing it. It's very easy recipe, very lovely. So probably now it's going to be 2 teaspoons of water all together, and you see like the special sound, the special sound of crunchy snow. That's what you end up with. So when you feel that all salt is in water, you check this one already. So you leave it aside for a moment, and now we're gonna do the fish. Just leave it aside. So for the fish, we're gonna put garlic, thyme inside of each and every fish. Garlic needs to be smashed only. Let's say 2 cloves for each fish, and thyme we're gonna just share, and we will need a little bit of lime juice, very little on each fish. So that's how I'm gonna take it. No salt, no season, no special seasoning is required here. Just we put garlic cloves inside, and half of the thyme goes inside of each fish, and then a little bit of lime juice on top, and of course we will need a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and what goes inside a little bit. So this is the first fish. And the second one, and we want to have another nice fruit. So the same procedure: garlic cloves, thyme, a little bit of lemon juice, and a little bit of olive oil. So, how to understand that the fish is fresh? You probably know, but I will tell you once again, just in case. So you have here, the fish has nice good eyes, they're not covered with white. The fish has nice good flesh. When I pinch it, the flesh goes back again. That means that the fish is really good, nice and fresh. So fish is done. Now we take the tray and make some bed for the fish, which is actually we take like about a half and put it down, with about a half of salt, and make a nice good bottom. We're gonna be baking fish in this salt, so the rest will be on the cover. Okay. Well, you probably want to not to cover head and tail. It's not really so important because you're not going to be eating it. Okay, so 2 fish together. Salt goes close. Make sure the salt is not coming inside of the belly. So it's just all on top. And now we cover the rest. With this nice salt snow. And like this. So make sure all fish, except for head and tail, is covered. Okay. And there is some more. So for these two fish, I used about 1.5 kilos, which means it's about 3 pounds of sea salt. Okay, so make sure that all fish is in salt, and I'm gonna put it into the oven. The oven has already been preheated, so put it in the hot oven, 375 Fahrenheit or about 200 Celsius. I'm gonna put it like exactly like this. For about 20 minutes, but you have to use your own sense and your vision. If you see that the salt is becoming like brown color, this is the sign that the fish is ready. So, voila! I'm putting that in the oven. And we have rest for 20 minutes. While we're doing the fish, meanwhile, I want to show you some recipe which I learned from my grandmother, honestly. And you know, Russians, they love drinking a little bit, and they love eating something crunchy, something pickled, or something marinated. So today we're gonna be actually salting cucumbers. I've got these nice fresh cucumbers of this size. This is important, the size is important. They're gonna be small, they're gonna be really nice, fleshy, and I feel like they are crunchy. So apart from cucumbers, we actually need salt. This is our project, this is our aim. And package some garlic. We're gonna smash it. And this is very easy recipe. Just put everything together. So here we have garlic. Here we have 2 tablespoons of sea salt. So a little bit more for good luck. And for spices, we will use dill and parsley stems, which is like this. I'm gonna wash it first, definitely. And that's it. Yeah, cucumbers washed naturally. They were washed before. So this is nice. This looks nice. It smells good. You probably want to add bay leaf there. And what we'll do is, like, every child can do that. Every child, each and every child. We're gonna give it a good shake. Yeah, so garlic, salt, cucumbers, and all kind of spices you find is good. I find dill is especially good. Dill is a must. Parsley is on your wish. So, good shake. Everything is shaked together. Salt will penetrate in the pickle, and we have to leave it for 24 hours in the fridge. 24 hours. So, please welcome tomorrow. And this is it. Then we're back to fish. You see, it has nice brown color and it's baked. It actually needed a little bit more than 20 minutes. It always depends on the size of fish. This fish actually took about 35 minutes. But like I said, the real good sign is the brown color of the salt here. So what we're going to be doing is now I'm showing you how to get this crust out. You're going to be using spoon. That's the easiest one. Nice, easy. Nice and easy. Go with the crust. Okay. So that's how you make it. We still don't want salt get inside of the fish, because remember the fish is open here in the bottom. So what we still want to remove it untucked. So take it out carefully. Okay. Try to break like big pieces of salt. Okay. So now we're gonna beat it from the other side. And remember, it's still hot, so you have to work things carefully. Okay. If you want to show that it's just doing a roll here. So in a second, you can lift it already. Be quite careful. Just like pieces. So yes, this is part number one. This salt is unfortunately not reusable, unfortunately. So all these goes away. But now we have to move all this salt back. And believe me, despite that we have a lot of salt, the fish will not be salty. The fish will take as much as it needs to make a good, nice, tender taste. Okay, so peel it. Now what we're gonna do now is take the skin out. Just let me make it free. There's one interesting, funny way how to take the skin of the fillet out. You're gonna use the fork, and you can use it. Well, it can work from here as well. Okay. This it doesn't go like this. Okay, so that's how to do it. Easy, isn't it? It's quite easy. And so we got here the first part of our fillet. Now we'll put it the plate. Okay, carefully. So it doesn't go like this. And carefully from here. Yeah, okay, I'm making sure that the skeleton of fish still stays there. So it is possible to do it in parts. So that's the first part. That's the second. So you don't need to make it like all the way long. You just take it easy. Okay. That's the second part. Now what is left is to pull the bones out. And remember, we don't use all our filling here. We just remove it together with the skeleton. Okay. So no garlic, nothing, no thyme. Just nice, good pieces of fillet only. make sure you're not taking extra salt from bottom, right? Because you don't need the salt. Parts. That's okay if you put it in parts. So, make sure that all of this nice good fish will go to the plate. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do the next fish like almost like this, and get yourself prepared to taste something nice. Okay. This is our fish. Nice. Now we're gonna sprinkle some olive oil, of course, on top all over, and some lemon juice. And voila! Fish baked. Okay, I'm gonna use my fork to taste it. I don't know how it's going. That's pretty good. Come on, I invite you to join me now. Yeah, welcome.